Hello everyone. So basically, this is a video regarding MATLAB quick look. Basically, sometime what happens is that there are so many interfaces inside this main page, right? Say all this live editor, workspace, command window, all these things are there. But sometime it happens that these are not well versed in this main page, right? So how to do that? Basically, how to make that in default view? We will see in this video. So basically, this is a nothing but a simple process, simply button we have to look out for. So that is known as docking, right? So suppose this command window is there. All right. So all these windows may be uh, with or without your like acknowledgement or something. It has not been on that place. So how to get back into that default you will see in this video. So basically you'll have to look out for this type of arrow button in all the tabs, right? So basically this is the tab. This shows that show command window actions. So you have to click that point. Then you have to look out for this dock option. So if you click this dock, then it will automatically dock in with the entire this in fact the home page of this MATLAB screen, right? Similarly, you have to do the same for these other things also. Let's say this is a current folder tab. Again, you have to look out for this button. You have to press dock or control shift D. All right. Go to workspace. Again, you are in the top right corner, you can see some button. So you have to click that, dock it. And finally, one live editor is also there in which the main coding, right? Whatever the main coding that you are doing. So that can be docked in. And you can just look out for this button on the right top corner and you can dock live editor, right? So this is what our main screen will now look like. So this is what we wanted. And basically this is basically method number one. One more method is there. Okay, this was the method one. So basically if this will work in 100% of cases. But suppose some other suppose this next function is there, like in layout, if you go and you have to go to the default button. If you press the default button here, so then all these things will come into one place that you can try in the first place, right? So if this method works, all good. And if it doesn't work, you go to the first thing, that the method one that I showed you, and it will work 100%, right? And what you're going to do next, you have to just save this layout. Okay, you just name it like for future references, you can name it for some function, let's say my layout or something like that, right? So my layout, you can save it and press OK. Then suppose anytime again some this mishap happens, you can go to home page, then this layout button. Then you can see in this layout tab itself, my layout has been saved. So you can click that and you will get to this original web page as desired, right? So that's it. So I hope you guys have some clear idea about it now. So yeah, enjoy coding. All right.